Man, I am so bored.
I'm so bored.
Ridiculously bored.
In fact, so bored I could eat a horse.
That doesn't even make sense.
No. I'm yawning with boredom. So, I'm going home.
Wait, come on guys, there's got to be something we can do.
Sorry,
You just got here. I mean, come on.
I have just arrived. I thought you would have planned something.
I plan to just hang out, you know, have a good time. We could do something manly.
I'm always up for something manly.
Well,
Knife fight.
tear a bear.
Bear fight.
Bear fight.
With the
Hands only. God,
I don't think you get bears in
fight to the death. Drinking blood
through your eye.
Yeah. Guys, we could have a burping contest.
I'm just seeing.
Even better.
Yeah. Okay.
Did you get a nice taste of sausage when it was back up
Stevie,
again?
start.
Whoa, under pressure here. Need a lot of pressure to make a good burp. Yeah.
What? That was it.
I think
I'll go again.
I missed it.
that was the first attempt.
Have a take two.
That was a practice. I was just cleaning.
It's not bad. I'll give it
a half. Good start.
No, that's
one out of 100.
10. 1 out of 10.
1000.
It wasn't that bad.
You try then.
Was that a cough?
Can you not burp?
Yeah.
Can you not even burp?
Doesn't.
What, me? You want to see me?
Yeah, I do.
I will.
Yeah, without doubt.
I will put you to shame.
Go on then.
I've got to stand up first.
Right. Was that it?
Oh, that was a bad cough.
Oh, right, that was a
natural cough.
Better than Andy's.
Need to suck in the air. It's like a vacuum.
I think I'll give that a half. You, Chris. Okay, alright guys. I think I've got it in the bag, to be honest, because let's be honest. But yours wasn't real, yours was rubbish, and you didn't even bet. So. Alright.
That's bad too.
That's alright. I'm just piece of victory.
C minus.
What else then?
Guys, what's going on there? What's so funny? I give that a 10.
A star.
What's going on? Plus.
A star plus.
It smells a bit like sick in here. Guys, someone been eating sausage again? Seriously? Guys, he's sickened me, I'm sorry.
So something else that's great.
He's just